This is a quick look I did for an impromptu dinner last night. I had some guests come over, literally like a surprise. And I just dabbed on a little makeup to look fresh. There is, of course, no liquid foundation. This is the summers. I've brightened my eyes and made sure I use a bright lipstick. The rest of it is all very light. I'm going to share this tutorial with you and hope you like it. You can change the lipstick and do the same makeup even for work. Considering this is evening, I've already done my skin routine in the morning, which is my moisturizing, toning, etc. And right now I'm going to just use some moisturizer because I don't need to use the sunscreen because I already used it in the morning. And of course, it's evening. The reason I'm very particular about moisturizing my face every time I do makeup is because it's summer. I'm going to be using a dry foundation, which is also going to be very light. But if I moisturize well, it will not look cakey. I'm not even using a primer because I just need this makeup to stay fresh for a couple of hours. I'm going to use my concealer under my eyes, or basically the parts where it's required. On top of the nose because it just kind of highlights it. A little bit on the forehead, some on my chin, and the part next to the nose. Basically parts which has redness. And if you buy a concealer that really matches your skin, please get that checked in a store, try it and buy it. Then that much of color correction on the face is enough for you to not go in with a big layer of liquid foundation. I'm just using a brush by Huda Beauty, which is just soft and angled. Pick up a brush of your choice. Do check out my video on brushes, which will give you a clear picture and a big range of choices from the brushes that you should buy. I believe it's going to be quite helpful, so do check it out. It's there in the video section. My videos are very general for people who have basic normal skin without too many marks, etc. But there could be a special need for you to cover some marks or whatever you would like to do. Just go to the store and take help. The people out there will help you with what kind of concealing you need. Now I'm going to just go in with my powder foundation, which is the Studio Fix. Best thing is I can touch it up, I can carry it, and it's also a foundation, a powder foundation. So it's not totally foundation free, but no liquid foundation. I'm using the K Beauty Pure Bloom palette. It's got beautiful neutral colors. Take one of those on your brush and just put it on your upper eyelid till your crease line and go a little above if you have hooded eyes. This is just to contour the top of your eyes so that your features get highlighted. This is not really an eyeshadow look. This is just a contour for the eyes, and that's where you need the neutral shades in your makeup palette. The important part about such application is it's easy, but make sure you blend it in and you do not leave it patchy. Now I'm going to use a black kohl on my outer waterline and then smudge it out. A lot of people ask me why I do that. You'll see it's a common practice in makeup. It actually opens up the eyes. It makes the eyes look bigger and brighter. So I'm going to just smudge that out. Take any pencil brush and smudge it out. Doesn't matter which brand. You can just type pencil brush in any of the makeup shopping apps and you'll get it. And whatever's left on your brush, just put it on the top of your eyelid, like a mild kind of a lining, and blend it in with your finger. Nothing blends better than your own finger. Using a gel to freeze my eyebrows is a must because I don't want it to move around. It also makes your face look neat. I always complete my eye makeup with a good mascara. A lot of people have a mental block towards mascara because they don't know how to remove it, they get scared. What I do is I just apply some coconut oil, I soften it up and I remove it with a baby wipe. But what happens if you don't use mascara, sometimes your eyeshadow can fall on your lashes and that could look really weird. See the difference between mascara and no mascara? Anyway, and make sure you put a lot more on the tip. That's going to give you a nice look as well as automatically line the top of your eyes. I always like to prep my lips before lipstick. Of course, there's a lip balm which I've used before makeup. That is the Nivea one. I really like that. And I'm going to fill out my lips like this with a nude lip liner and line it. This gives your lipstick a longer time to stick on, as well as you get an even surface to work on. Now I'm going to use a pink lipstick, so I'm going to use a dark pink lip liner. I really like this new lipstick by Urban Decay. It's a very, very bright yet glamorous pink. You can use any lipstick of your choice. I'm using this lipstick just to brighten up my light makeup for the evening. But with the same makeup, if you go with a neutral lipstick, you can very well make this a daily makeup look or even do it for work. A blush to complete my look is a must. I'm using a cream based one because I like it and I also have dry skin. You can use any blush of your choice. It could also be of a powder format. And I'm not going to contour because it's summer, it's not necessary. Just apply the blush where I'm applying it on the top of my cheekbone, and this kind of an angle will also give it a nice lift. I do like blending it with my finger as well. So my makeup is done. This is the kind of makeup I like doing on a daily basis or just to go out quickly. It is practical, it works out, and this is what I want everybody to try. Because I see a lot of people panicking with the thought of makeup, and I want to take that away because I do love makeup, but to use it in the right way at the right time. Anyway, do subscribe to my channel and do follow my page on Facebook, and hope you're finding all this helpful, and do support my channel with all my recipe videos, my travel, my dance. It is at the end of it a lifestyle channel. Till next time.